Did you know that Elon Musk now controls nearly 2/3 of all active satellites orbiting Earth? That's right. Last Friday, SpaceX launched its 7,000th Starlink satellite, cementing Musk's dominance in space. Since its first launch in 2019, SpaceX has averaged 3 Starlink satellites per day. Today, they have 6,370 active satellites in low Earth orbit, with hundreds more either inactive or deorbited. That's over 62% of all operational satellites. In just 3 years, the number of Starlink satellites has grown more than 6-fold. To put that in perspective, Starlink's fleet is nearly 10 times larger than its closest competitor, the British startup OneWeb. With this massive satellite network, Musk is not just connecting the world to the internet, but also redefining who has control over our skies. What does this mean for the future of space? Are we headed for a satellite monopoly, or is this the start of a new era of global connectivity?